back to our YouTube channel, Cooking Time with Daniela. We are making a very special food today. This time we're making a South Africa food, Vetkoek. So we will be using this munch flour. I take these 2 cups of flour. This is sugar. I'll be using this yeast, just 1 sachet of yeast, and this salt, 1 teaspoon of salt. This is oil I'll be using to fry the mixed curry. This recipe, all recipe here is for the mixed curry. Both of them go together. So this onions, tomatoes, mixed veggies, potato, and slice of tomato. And this is the beef that I'm using. White pepper, black pepper, salt to taste, and then seasoning. This is paprika and curry. So, and I will be adding a little bit parsley leaf to it. You can also use dry parsley if that is what you have, but I will be using this fresh one because that's what I have. I prefer. So this Vetkoek is a South Africa traditional food. It's like fried dough of bread. The Vetkoek form a part of South Africa culture. It's really South Africa, they see it it's a very big thing to them. I Google it and I see how it's not just only South Africa also that have this kind of food in Africa. I see a lot of African people do it. I tried it once and I really love it. I want to do it and I show you how I do mine. I think Mexicans also have something similar to that. They call it sopila. And then these people also have it, Caribbean also have it, which they call it Johnny cake. So you see, we all are one. We have some kind of different food mixed together. We don't even know what it's called in another country. Just as Cameroon call buff buff another name, Nigeria call it another name, but they are all healthy food, though. Really healthy. So I will be just wearing this one to mix the flour as I'm talking. I'll just be mixing the flour and see how. You see how I mix the flour. Then we do it together, right? We will be doing all together. See, I will just add the yeast. See how the yeast flying out. Now add the salt. I'll just use them. So I will be adding water to the lukewarm water to the flour. Then mix. I usually use my hand to mix, but today I'm using gloves. You see why I use my hand? The gloves is going separate way. You carry me, they go where I don't know. You just keep mixing until you get the right dough. Keep adding the water little by little. Just put a little bit oil in the countertop. You get smooth dough. Yeah, make sure they are really smooth. See, not too soft, not too strong. Yeah. I'll put it back to the bowl and cover it for at least for like 1 hour. I'll be back I will be putting this amount of oil. Just then I add the oil. Garlic and ginger. I will be adding the paprika and curry. And I wait for it to fry for like 2 to 3 minutes. Then I start adding more stuff. I will be adding tomatoes now. I will be adding with this now. And go with the potato. Just add the seasoning, white and black pepper, little bit salt and seasoning. Any kind of seasoning you have. So this is how it looks like right now. I will give this 10 to 15 minutes for it to cook well. I already mixed the dough and I will be leaving the dough for like 1 hour. I cover it here close to the fire I'm using to cook, so for the heat to make it rise between that 1 hour. So yeah, I'll be back in 10 minutes to check. Look at it. Everything is ready. So I will be putting the green peas now and the carrots. And just add this one. Use my hand to cut them. I don't need to slice it. Just you can slice yours if you want, but I'm just doing mine this way. Okay, nice. And give 3 minutes. We're ready. So remember, we have 1 hour to wait for the dough to rise. So yeah, we'll be waiting. While waiting, we do something else. Yeah, this is how our mixed curry turned out to be. Very perfect and good. So I will just off the stove and set it aside while waiting for the dough to rise. Yeah, we're done with this one. Dough rise. So I will just put this canola oil on the countertop first. Yeah. Oh, it smells very good. Okay. to rub this one so we have it sticky. I'm just cutting the dough so I can roll it before keeping them. So I'm using my hand this time. I'll just roll it around. Just the same thing. So this is the dough. I will be covering it with a cloth again for 15 minutes. Yeah. It's time to fry. Not too hot. Deep fry is always better for things like this. Okay, I think I can do this. Okay. I just add it into slow heat. So it can done from inside. Okay. Just let it stay for like 2 minutes, then I'll take it out. Just leave the fire. You just keep turning it so they can cook the inside. Okay, this is the last one. It's ready. This stay inside the hot oil for at least 12 to 15 minutes. If not, it won't done inside. Okay. Yeah, we done. Yay, we are so done. Look at how you turn to. Look at them. So look at the inside. This is how it looks like inside. It's exactly like bread. Yeah. So we're done with our Vetkoek today. And add the mixed curry. You can add as many as you want, but this will not really contain a lot of them there. This thing makes sense. Huh? This is very nice. Thank you for watching. We'll put all the recipe we use below, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share, and also comment. We really need that, please. This alone, I think you can even use things like this to eat rice. Yeah, I can use this to eat rice and dried beans too. Okay, thank you. We'll see you next week. Bye.